In this clip, we're going to learn how to create a 3ds Max project folder. So project folders are going to be really important for us in our projects because it allows us to keep things nice and organized. Now 3ds Max uses some features like autosave, and project folders are really important for that because that is how it knows where to save these autosave files. Now by default, 3ds Max does use a location in your My Documents folder to create its very first project folder, but in this case we want to customize that. So I'm going to go up to Customize, Configure User Paths. Now in this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the project folder and hit Browse. This is to create a brand new project folder. Now in this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Materials folder because this is the root of where I want my project folder to be saved. But I want to make a new folder, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Make New Folder, and then I'm going to rename this to 3ds Max Fundamentals, and hit Enter. Now once I've done that, you need to make sure that you have this selected. Make sure that the folder name is showing up down here. I'm not sure why it doesn't update that, but all you have to do is deselect the folder to a new one, and it's saying, okay, let's use Materials. I don't want to do that. I'm actually going to select the one that I just created, and then I'm going to hit OK. Now once you do that, it's going to update the path which you're using, and then it's also going to create all of these different folders that you see right here. So let me show you what that looks like in your browser. So if I were to bring up the file where we made this, you'll see 3ds Max Fundamentals, and then it created all of these new folders in that place. It also created this .mxp file, and this is going to be the path configuration file that you'll want to use if you're following along with us in the tutorials. So let's go ahead and show you how to load that. So to load that MXP file, all you have to do is go to Load, and then you're going to browse to where that MXP file is located. So in this case, if you've downloaded our project files and you've extracted those in a place, let's say on your C drive, then what you'll do is you'll go to the 3ds Max Fundamentals folder, and then you'll find the 3ds Max Fundamentals.mxp. Select that and hit Open, and that will load that file, and now your 3ds Max software is going to configure the paths for the project files that we're using here. Now all you have to do is hit OK, and now we're ready to go. So now in the next clip, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to create some simple objects, and then we're going to learn how to select and view those objects inside of 3ds Max.